Welcome to this video where I just want to talk you through slide number 2 of this pioneering business transformation solution that's going to completely reinvent and change and adapt your company to a place right now that it can't quite get to. This is the first of its kind breakthrough, and on this slide today I just want to talk you through essentially the problem that you will be facing with your company. If you're a chief transformation officer, chief operating officer, managing director, chief executive officer, or a shareholder, I guarantee you want your company to function better. You want your company to change. You want your company to adapt and transform and innovate. And these are the kind of problems that you're going to be facing. And ultimately, Change Machine is a solution. It is an invention. It is a model of psychological change that you can use to kind of break through all these problems that you have. So the first one I've got is the business change failure rate here. Here I've got 80% of business change programs fail. Key factors include poor communication, lack of purpose, organizational politics, and lack of user buy-in. This is when you try to implement change. You might have tried change management. You might have tried some kind of business theory or hiring some kind of management consultants to actually come in and help your business become different. Now, ultimately, this doesn't really work. You kind of come up with a plan or a strategy and it tends to fail. And it's a big problem because you want things to move forward. You've got competitors in your market. You want to try new and different things, but it doesn't essentially work. So that is essentially the problem you're faced with, and that's the solution that I'm showing you very much today. Number 2 is lack of corporate innovation. As the saying kind of goes, you got to out-innovate the innovators. So your company's got to kind of innovate and change in order to move forwards, in order to kind of keep up with the times. And this is the kind of problem that you're facing. And here I've written, if you were to design something to be as hostile to innovation as possible, you'd end up with what most large corporates are today. That is, groups of humans working together are essentially the problems, the way we build companies. That's essentially what you're faced with. This solution you have here in front of you has never been seen before. It's never been done before. No other consultancy or person on planet Earth can talk you through what this solution actually is. Hence the pioneering reinvention process I drop into the conversation every now and again. Lastly, I've got here the problem being the ability to transform. There's never actually been a solution for large-scale change and transformation for companies. Almost a path for you to follow, a process for you to follow, a mechanism, if you like, for you to work with. That's what Change Machine is. Change Machine is an invention, it is an innovation. And here I've written, there is yet to be a viable solution to transformation that does not cross over to traditional project or program management.